Right, so it's got the conventional bits of birds mark on it. The main reason it's here is because of the roof. You can see there that the colour of the beigey roof is hiding effectively the greeny stains on it, so I can show you there and there. It's got a couple of fold marks on it, which happens when the roof folds and there's grit in it, and you can see there that there's wear. And then if you look at this stitching, you can see the stitching's all a bit threadbare. It's not too serious, we're hoping to save it, but you can see there's plenty of dirt behind there. And what happens is, if this keeps folding, then it will wear out and you'll eventually need a new roof. So got to get the grit and dirt out of it to do that, so that it doesn't wear. There's a scratch down this side which isn't very nice, but we're going to give it there's a special offer on at the moment, so we're going to give it a wax coating on the outside. So we're going to give the wheels a clean and give it a general birthday. So overall it's quite a nice looking car. I mean, there are some things that we could do on it in the future. Could do with the wheels refurbishing at some stage. You can see there's a bit of corrosion around the bases, and I'm sure it could do with a good buff and a polish up. But she's here to do the hood clean and reproof and take advantage of the summer. So, you know, we'll get the roof looking nice. Bit of a dent in the arch there, which is a bit of a shame. A dent man could do that. That's you know, fairly easy one for a dent man to do, even though it's quite a big dent. Yeah, but yeah, it's a few years old, and we're about to try to make it look a bit younger. You know, why not? Right, so I've just dried it off now. It's nice and clean. You can see it's wet, obviously, so it doesn't look quite right until it is dry, and I've still then got to put the coating on. But I didn't notice this, but that looks to me like a little burn, possibly where somebody's been smoking and then either flicked it out the window, or it could even be come over the roof from another car. Frustrating when you're driving behind somebody who throws a cigarette out. Well, occasionally it just lands in a place that you don't want it to land. Really quite annoying, really, but you know, it is what it is. It's not gone through, luckily. It's just singed it and made it look a little bit, you know, brown. But it's under that lip, so most people won't notice it. I've just made a note, really, just so people know that, you know, that we haven't done it. I mean, I don't smoke, and I'm the only one who's been working on this. So, you know, obviously that would have to have been somebody who's smoking. I'm guessing it's come out of the window, but, you know, who knows? Maybe a previous owner smoked. There you go, a bit of debris on it. You wouldn't notice it. Anyway, it's clean now. I've put the wax coating on it, and now it's under the dryer. We've got the blower on it there, and it's drying. So it won't be long before I can put the first coating of protection on it. So it's already shaping up to be quite nice. Right, so it's all looking $1 million. Why wouldn't it? There's an offer on at the moment, so she's taking advantage of that. So that means she's got the 3-month wax done. But the main thing is the roof, and just show you what that looks like. How about that? It's come up really well. Okay, so it's got a few fold lines on it here. It's had a couple of little scuffy bits and marks on it, but for a car of this age, it's come up remarkably well, and I think genuinely we've managed to give it a new life.